This is Dr. Ruth on the south end, starting it. Going a little slope. I just did John Brown. He had a fall. I'm okay. Well, okay, wrecked one of my grips a little bit. That was all that happened. John Brown's a pretty interesting and challenging trail. Not as scary as Anthill. Anthill's got way more freight, but John Brown's got quite a lot of technical, and it continuously goes up and down on the side of that ridge. This is Dr. Ruth. It's intermediate. It has some challenges. For someone with beginner level, intermediate level, it's a challenging trail, something to work up towards or work through. Or if you don't have a really good bike, it could be a little harder. Oh, that's the end of Dr. Ruth. I'm all the way up north there. Where am I? Pine tree. That's Pine Tree North. I'm lost. Let's stop it.